Imagine having a secret power, a power that lets you read anyone's mind, their emotions, their thoughts, their decisions, whether it's your boss, your friends, a stranger, even your crush. They move exactly the way you want without even realizing it. Sounds like magic, right? Nope. This is pure psychology. The same tools used by top influencers, leaders, negotiators, and yes, even manipulators. And in this video, you're going to learn some of the darkest psychological tools that can turn you from an ordinary person into a master influencer. But here's a warning. This is for education only. Use it wrong and it will mess up your relationships. Use it right and you'll never see people the same way again. Trick number 5, the reverse trap. Humans want the exact thing they're told not to do. This is one of the simplest truths of behavior. Tell someone, don't look back. Their brain will instantly want to look back. Tell your viewers, don't watch this video. And guess what? That curiosity hits hard. That's the reverse trap. A mind game where you guide someone without commanding them. Example, if you tell your friend, bro, I had a task, but leave it, it's kind of difficult, don't think you can handle it. Their ego gets punched. Now they want to prove they can do it. You didn't force them, you didn't even ask. You just opened a loop in their mind, and they closed it on their own. This trick is powerful, dangerous, and invisible. Trick number 4, the master of choice. People feel like they choose freely, but in reality, they choose from the options you put in front of them. And the one who controls the options controls the decision. Example, instead of saying, let's go out, you say, Pizza Hut or Domino's. He feels like he made a choice, but both paths lead exactly where you wanted. This is the same trick used by politicians, brands, and marketers. Buy one, get one free, or buy two and get 50% off. Both end with you spending money, but you feel smart while doing it. Humans don't want unlimited freedom. They want controlled freedom, where their ego stays safe. Trick number 3, the guilt trigger. Guilt is one of the strongest emotional levers in psychology. Force doesn't create action. Guilt does. Example, your friend keeps avoiding plans. If you directly complain, you never make time for me, he'll distance himself even more. But if you softly say, it's okay, maybe I'm just not that important, the guilt hits instantly. Now he reaches out, he explains, he apologizes. You didn't manipulate, you just held up an emotional mirror. Trick number 2, the emotional hijack. Humans make decisions emotionally first, logically later. If you can influence someone's emotions, you influence their entire mind. That's the emotional hijack. When someone is shocked, scared, proud, guilty, or loved, their decisions come from the heart, not the brain. Politicians don't give facts, they give feelings. Fear, anger, hope, pride, and once those emotions take over, the vote follows. People don't remember your logic, they remember how you made them feel. Master their emotions, and you quietly guide their decisions. Trick number 1, the power of silence. Silence is not weakness. Silence is raw power. Think about it. Your mom scolds you loudly, but your dad just looks at you quietly. And somehow, that silence hits twice as hard. When someone says nothing, your mind fills the void with fear, guilt, confusion. Want someone to confess? Just say, I know everything, and stay silent. Want to win an argument? Don't shout. Just look into their eyes and smile softly. They'll start doubting their own words. When the whole world is speaking, the one who stays silent becomes the most powerful presence in the room. Most people don't even notice how easily their mind gets pulled. A small trigger, a tiny comment, or a silent pause can flip their whole decision. And the crazy part? They think it was their idea. That's the real power of psychology. Influencing without force, guiding without speaking, and winning without fighting.